Hi, this is Bill Lackner. We're going to, let me start over. Hi, this is Bill Lackner. I'm going to demonstrate how to prepare a chicken leg for the Crab Max. Take a pair of rose pruners, cut through the joint. You can see I cut through the joint on the chicken leg. Turn the leg over and cut through the joint again, and you're ready to go. Recording?
Yes.
Okay, we're going to insert the bait post from the Crab Max into the hollow chicken leg. You push the hollow chicken leg up through the bait post, or vice versa. Fasten
Your hand's right in the way.
Fasten the chicken leg to the bait post, and of course we're ready to go. What this does, by cutting the joints and pushing the bait post through the hollow chicken leg, you allow more scent from the chicken to get into the water.
Okay.
To demonstrate this again, we cut through the leg bone, turn the chicken over, cut through the other knuckle, and you're good to go. Put the bait in the chicken leg in the other bag. This here is turkey necks. Turkey necks make a wonderful bait, but turkey necks are a little long, so we'll cut that in two. Good to go. You run the bait post right up through the neck bones, and you're good to go.
Okay.
No. What I like to do is I like to flavor my bait. Can you see this? Flavor my bait with a drop or two of anise oil. For those fishermen out there, this is the greatest stuff since sliced bread when it comes to using anise for catfish bait on mackerel and bonita and that type of stuff. Anyway, so
Is that it?
that's it.